What's up, everybody? What the hell you talking about, Tommy Tom? Y'all get off my car, get out the truck. What the hell y'all doing, man? What the Trying to feed y'all acting like y'all crazy.
We don't worry about food shortage around here. DIY, easy build chicken coops. Easy build, easy move. We move these chickens daily. It's like they free range in their own protected little area. Yeah. Bug not drugs is the way to go. They eat everything that you got left over, don't you know? They be grubbing, hugging, they some hungry little birds. And they the best that you ever gonna see. That's right. The best eggs,